I jumped from education into a nonprofit organization here in town. Its name is Wesley Urban Ministries. They had for years been working a fair bit with adult homelessness. I think what you're looking for is the challenge to your folks and your board and your organization is to take what we know and translate it into what we do. Many of the adults in our drop-in center could talk to me about the master's degree they had. They could share with me times that they were employed in very high-paying jobs. They could talk to me about families and homes and places where they had stability. But you know what none of them could tell me about was the positive impact of that early child development experience. So a little bit of the challenge we have a bit is how do we take what we know, that everybody agrees to, that there is this body of evidence around and actually translate it into things that are on the ground and working. And those are the experiences that I brought to the municipality when I joined the city of Hamilton a number of years ago. How do we go out into communities and into neighborhoods and say to folks in neighborhoods, so what is it that would work from your experience? What is it that you each day experience and understand? What does success look like for you as individuals? And then you know what we all have here and what you have in your connections and what the others are and have in this room and their connections is we have a great Rolodex of solutions. But the gap sometimes is having that conversation first about what does success look like. It's because we've chosen to take a little bit of that leap of faith to say, you know what, we know an awful lot. It's now about actually doing something. And that's what kind of excites me about this challenge and competition. And I think competition is good because if we are going to bridge that gap between knowledge and execution, I think we need to find every which way we can to foster that.